What's good, you all? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you my incredible journey on the Niki Life app, from struggling to earning over 1 million in gold beans. Don't worry, I'll reveal it all. Get ready for some inspiration and valuable tips to boost your own Niki Life earnings. So guys, let's dive into my withdrawal records.
As you can see, I've had numerous successful withdrawals, proving that Niki Life is legitimate.
Talk of my recent withdrawal. I am thrilled to share that I've earned and withdrawn over 1 million beans on the Niki Life app. Comparing my monthly earnings before and after, you can see that my earnings have skyrocketed. Now, I want to share some actionable tips to help you succeed on Niki Life. 1. Showcase your unique talent. Identify your talent. Is it singing, dancing, art, or more? Develop your style. Highlight your skills by sharing your expertise. Tip 2. Engage with your audience. Learn to respond to comments and interact with your viewers. Ask for feedback, encourage suggestions, just share your creative process. 3. Optimize your stream quality. High quality stream is equals to more rewards. You can invest in getting some equipment like your camera or your microphone. And lighting. Tip 4. Leverage Niki Life's reward system. Take advantage of Niki Life's reward system. Understand the reward structure. Know how to get rewarded. Participate in challenges as this will boost your visibility. Ensure to complete your tasks to earn badges and rewards. Tip 5. Collaborate with other creators. You can partner with fellow streamers, participate in community events, and even share each other's content. And the last tip 6. Consistency is the key. Regular streaming is equals to more visibility. You can set a scheduled time, stream at the same time each week, maintain quality by investing in getting some equipment like your camera, your lighting, and your microphone. You can as well promote your stream on your social media accounts. By implementing these tips, you will increase your chances of success on Niki Life. Now, let's talk about the advantages of using Niki Life. First and foremost, Niki Life allows you to earn rewards for your talent. Imagine getting paid for doing what you love, whether you are a singer, dancer, artist, or have any other talent. Niki Life rewards you with gold beans that can be redeemed for cash or gifts. Another advantage is global exposure. With Niki Life, you can reach a vast audience worldwide, connecting with users from diverse backgrounds, increasing your fan base, and gaining international recognition. Niki Life also offers a supportive community where you can interact with fellow creators, get feedback and guidance, and collaborate on projects. Additionally, Niki Life provides diverse content options. You can explore various formats such as music, dance, art, and more, including live streaming and recorded content. The platform is also incredibly user-friendly, with an intuitive dashboard, stream quality control, and real-time analytics. Lastly, Niki Life continuously updates and improves its features, ensuring a seamless user experience. Niki Life offers a unique platform for creators to showcase their talents, earn rewards, and connect with a global audience. Now, I would like to share my personal experience with Niki Life. When I first started on Niki Life, I was hesitant, but soon I discovered the incredible community and opportunities. I've earned over 1 million in gold beans, collaborated with talented creators, and gained a supportive audience. My Niki Life journey has been life-changing, so don't miss out on this opportunity. Sign up for Niki Life today, take the link in the comment section of this video, and start showcasing your talents. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content and share your Niki Life experiences in the comments below.